Hey guys, Lamonster here at Lamonster Garage, and we are slowly knocking down the mods. This is one we've been waiting for, been wanting to do for quite a while, but there's several ways we could have done it. We did it the easiest, simplest, strongest way, and going to be easy for you to install, fully adjustable. This particular setup you have here, it's not powder coated because it is a prototype. We have a 3-inch link on it, which I think is going to be good for most people. We do have a 4-inch link available, but the peg is a nice peg that gives you good grip. Very natural to just stick your feet right there. I'm in a good posture right here, so it's going to be great going down the highway just to be able to get your legs out there and change position. It's actually one of the dealers told me right after they rode this bike at club. They said, Lamont, you got to have some highway brackets for this thing. And I said, okay, I'm on it. So I didn't even have one yet, but yeah, this is it. Basically, what you're going to do is there's 3 screws there now, and they're the plastic screws, so they're not structural. They're not a good screw, but there's a big solid plate sandwiching these 2 pieces. So what you'll do is you'll drill out the hole to a 1/4 inch. It's almost a 1/4 inch now, but not quite. Drill it out to a 1/4 inch, through bolt it, sandwich the pieces together. Like I say, all the drilling is done from on top. Super easy. And once again, this is adjustable forward and back. And if we want, we can put a 4-inch link on there. If you're a little bit shorter and you want to get it closer to you, we can do that real easy. So, but this is it. This is the Lamonster highway brackets for the Canyon. This will work on all the Canyons, the base model, the XT, and the Red Rock. So you don't have to worry about that if it's going to work for you. This is a prototype, so I've been just rode it around. I like the feel of it. I like everything about it. So we're going to go ahead and pull the trigger and go into production on it. So hope you guys like it as much as I do. Really dialing in this Canyon the way I want it. We got some driving lights that we're going to be adding pretty quick here, but other than that, I mean, that's the major mods that we're waiting for. Plenty of clearance, doesn't hit my water bottle. Like I say, you can move them in closer just by rotating the link down. And anyway, I hope you like it. I love it. And I love this Canyon. Our Facebook page is Can-Am Canyon Lovers. If you want to check us out on Facebook, and then of course, Lamonster Garage is where you buy the parts. So check it out. Hope you like it. Thanks.